This is going to be steamed pork with bitter melon. So this is a traditional dish. So just use a spoon to take out the center of the bitter melon. Some people like to eat it with the center, but I like to scrape it off. So it comes off easily with a spoon. So you can cut it any size you want. We're going to keep the pieces fairly large. So you can cut off the ends too if you like. So some people like the smaller pieces, but I think we're just going to keep it fairly large pieces here. So we have about a pound of ground pork here. So we have some sea salt here. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of sea salt. You can use regular salt too if you like. Here, look at them. So sea salt is actually saltier than regular salt, I find. So you might put a little bit less for whatever amount that you usually use. Put about a tablespoon of brown sugar. You can use regular sugar too if you like. Brown sugar is a little more complex. Put about half a teaspoon of chicken soup base for added flavor.
Half.
One.
Half.
So put about a teaspoon of sesame oil. So you see this is the regular teaspoon. So this spoon is even bigger than a regular tablespoon. So put about a tablespoon of oyster flavor sauce. Put a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Okay. Thank you. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. So just combine all the ingredients. So put the pork into a bowl. So once you put the pork into a bowl, break an egg. The egg will act as a binder.
Yeah.
Put about a tablespoon or 2 of ground pork into each piece of bitter melon. And we have the bitter melon arranged in a bowl. Got some boiling water in the pan going, so just put the pork in there with the bitter melon. We're going to steam this for about 20 minutes. So it's been about 20 minutes now. So make sure you have enough water in the pan when you steam. There you have it. Steamed pork with bitter melon. Enjoy. So after 20 minutes, the bitter melon is pretty tender. So the pork should be steamed all the way through. So you can check the pork to see if it's cooked all the way through, but usually about 20 minutes should do it. There's many benefits to eating a bitter melon. It's good for you. I won't make any claims here, but it's good for you. Thanks for checking out my channel. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And please give me a thumbs up for this video. And if you'd like to check out more videos, just click over here or over here. And please subscribe by clicking over here.